Dark matter, a mystery that has puzzled astrophysicists for almost a century. Is the universe made solely of atoms and subatomic particles? This is a controversy that is frequently debated today, and I'm here to address it. Dark matter is a hypothetical type of substance that is different than the normal kind of observable matter. Dark matter was first postulated when astrophysicists back in the 1930s were observing galaxies through a telescope. As they were watching one of these galaxies, they noticed all the brightly colored stars were spinning around at a particular rate. They input the speed of the rotation into some physics equations, including the universal law of gravitation. Basically, it's a way of finding out the force of the gravitational pull between two objects using the mass of both bodies. That's for another video. They found the overall mass of the galaxy and then compared it to the mass of the galaxy that they could observe. To their surprise, the mass that they could see was only 5% of the mass that must be there in order to move at the speed that it does. This suggested that there must be extra mass in the galaxy they could not see or observe with anything. They called this missing matter, or dark matter. So, the dark matter has to be there to explain the way galaxies move, but strangely, no one can see it. Every kind of matter we can measure consists of one or more of the 115 known elements, and those elements can be broken down into atoms. This material made of atoms can be seen because light bounces off of them or emits light, which goes into our eyes. There are a few exceptions to this. There are some things our naked eye can't see, but over time we have built machines to assist us in studying these elements. The problem is that the typical ways of observing things, either with our eyes using light or instruments that we have created, can't detect dark matter directly, at least not yet. What that means is 95% of the entire universe has never been observed. If no one has ever seen it, how do we know it's there? Well, you can use information and observations that you observe in order to declare a hypothesis that it exists. Let me ask you one more question. Have you really seen me the entire video? Well, no, you haven't, but you can infer that I exist and declare that I must exist because I'm clearly talking to you. It's the same thing with dark matter. One day, it may finally reveal itself.